Hey guys, so today I am going to help you learn to become a designer by knowing how to use the scissors tool. This tool is awesome. You are going to love it. Okay, so I've got a new Illustrator document open. So all I need you to do is come over and we're going to create a line. So use your line segment tool, or you can use the pen tool if you want, and just make a long single line. I'm holding down my shift key so you can see it. Okay, super simple. Now we need to go find our scissors tool. So we're going to just cut this line up. I want you to get the idea of how you can use this, okay? So usually the scissors tool is sitting under your eraser tool. So you can see that I'm pressed down and holding on my eraser tool, and there it is, my scissors tool, okay? So what this does is it creates anchors in your line and cuts it, so like basically unjoins it at that point. So if I click here, you will notice that there is a piece of the line that now has gone black. So that is no longer selected because it's cut off from it, created a new anchor on both of those edges. If I cut it again, you can see that it's much shorter. Now here's the real question. Are those line pieces, when I go to highlight them, going to be separated? Come over to your selection tool and select off. And then if you select on any piece, you can see I just went and selected over it. You can see I have this piece in the middle, I have this piece on the end, and this piece on this other end. And if I come up close to it, if you take a peek at it, you can see that it's created basically new anchor points. If I hold down my shift key, I can pull them apart like that for that line. Now, I use this for all kinds of things. Okay, so you can use this for mostly drawing items. I'll be making something and I just need to cut the line at a specific point because it's not working, and I'm working with, pretty tight dimensions. You can use this on your pencil lines, your brush tools. That's why I like it, because you can just come right in and click on a single place and cut it off from everything else. So I hope that you have a chance to play with this tool and become an even better designer and really learn how to design like the pros. And if you are not getting my emails, you need to sign up. It's at karinagardner.com. Click on exclusive VIP. I send out a freebie of some sort, usually a tutorial, so that you can see what's going on Wednesdays of every single week. We also send out PDFs and quizzes and all the things. So if you are ready to become a designer, go join that group. Okay, see you guys.